The biggest tree in the world. Everybody. Apparently the top of the tree is dead, so it's not growing taller, but it's still getting wider. So I wonder if it's going to be surpassed by other trees at some point. Foot circumference. 25 to 100 years old. Still pretty tall. Mid-grade. General Sherman. On a beautiful day too. It's so gorgeous.